Hi there, Scott Pohl with the National Bowling Academy, and we're going to look at the two-handed bowling game. In particular, we're going to take a look at the finishing position of a two-hander. So the two-handed finish position, you can view it from a couple of different angles. First, let's look at it from behind. What you see as a right-handed player, when they finish the shot, the trail leg is in line with the right side of their shoulder. This shows a very nice finishing position. Another thing to look for is the hand being inside the ball. What we mean by that is it actually is from behind. Most of the hand is on the left side of the bowling ball. Another thing to look for at the finishing position is the knee bend. We do want to have a little form of a knee bend. If we don't, the ball typically isn't as strong or having much power. One thing to look through as the hand comes up through the ball, we want to make sure the hand finishes a lot looking like that of a one-handed bowler. Another area to look for is the head is to be in a very strong, stable position. From behind, the head is actually to the outside or to the right of the ball coming through. And lastly, we look for that elbow to stay inside of the shot. We don't want that elbow to come around the side of the ball. Another area to look at the finish position for the two-hander is from the side. We can look at if that knee is bent and the body position coming through the shot is in a good, strong position. Another thing from the side with the two-handed finishing position is looking at the head. We certainly want this to be in front of the sliding knee. If it is not, that typically tells us the ball coming off the hand is in a very weak position. The head staying in front of it keeps everything nice and stable through the shot, being very effective. So we showed you numerous ways of the finishing position, how to be in the right spot with the two-hander. Two different ways to look at it. Look at it from behind, also look at it from the side. It gives you a good idea where you need to be to finish and make those effective shots. Take a look at it. I guarantee you'll be in a lot better position.